On the occasion of official UN Week, World Interfaith Harmony Week, I organized this event today, which is being known as World Interfaith Harmony and Global Peace Day, here at Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. In order to strengthen mutual cooperation, love, harmony and coexistence throughout among all religions, beliefs, creeds and all sects. Miss Cardula Gewalt from Germany, who is working for peace and human rights, is here among us as the chief guest of this event. We gathered here today to discuss about interfaith harmony leading to global peace. As you all know that I am working for human rights, peace, interfaith harmony and justice globally for many years. At this great moment, I want to say that we all need peace, and peace can be achieved only through mutual love, respect and spirit of coexistence. We must not have any prejudice or complexes for others' religions, faiths, colors, nations, creed, sects and beliefs. I would like to say strongly that I love all religions. I love Christians, I love Jews, I love Hindus, I love Sikhs, and I respect all religions and faiths, sects and beliefs. Even I love all the people of all religions, faiths, beliefs, sects, creeds, and even I love atheists too. I love atheist people too, because we all are basically human beings. In this relation, we all are brothers and sisters. So we all must become human first. It is the basic and most important need of our. We all must become human first. If we all adopt humanity in real terms in our daily life, all the conflicts, disputes and differences will be over. So please be human first. It is the most important need of our. Global peace can be achieved only through mutual love, harmony and respect and spirit of coexistence. It is quite possible. Let's make a try. Please remember, love for all, hatred for none. We organized this event to the people to strengthen interfaith harmony. In this event, a mass gathering of common people of all religions and faiths and also beliefs was collected to make this event successful, to spread the message of peace and harmony. Slogans and speeches on peace, banner containing the message of peace and interfaith harmony, all religions, prayer for interfaith harmony and global peace, music contribution, a free harmony lunch to all the participants and to all the public gathered herein were the main attractions of this event. People were made aware about the conflicts and human rights situation in the world, such as we see nowadays in Syria, Palestine, Burma, Mali, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, etc. etc. This event was organized online on Facebook too, for publicity purpose and for spreading the message of interfaith harmony and global peace in all parts of the world. We also want to use the occasion to honor all human rights defenders who risk their life every day for a good cause. Especially, we want to mention Mr. Boroj Reddy. From Iran, who is in prison for about 7 years. He is a renowned peace and human rights activist, and he is in prison for about 7 years. He sent a message to us all to remind us of cooperation between different faiths and beliefs. Thanks to all who participated in this event. You made it successful. Please never get tired to spread the word of peace and harmony. Stop.